Hi, everyone. I'm Rebecca Corbett, Marketing Director with CEDIA Expo. I'm excited today to be talking with John Clancy, Executive Vice President of Residential for Crestron Electronics, about what Crestron has in store for CEDIA Expo this September 1st to the 3rd. Thank you so much for joining us, John.
My pleasure. Happy to be here, Rebecca.
Thank you. Absolutely. So jumping right in, can you tell us a little bit about what you have planned for CEDIA Expo? What is your focus or vision for the show this year? And can you share any specific booth plans you have?
Sure. We're actually in the midst of our booth planning right now. But what I can say, look, we haven't been an exhibitor at the show since 2015. So, we have evolved as a company, specifically in the residential side of our business. I wasn't here in 2015. I joined Crestron in 2016, and we really put a ton of focus and energy towards, changing who we are in the residential space. And I think also simultaneously, the industry has evolved as well, right? So this timing of our return couldn't be better. Again, we really intended to return to the show last year, but it was virtual, and we did participate in that, and it was a great event. But I think that this in-person show, I think the feeling behind it right now, I think there's a lot of excitement of just getting back out there. And then specific to our booth, I think, there's a lot that we have launched and done in the last few years that, if you weren't a Crestron dealer, much of the industry has not seen and touched. And I think that's one of the things I am super excited to go back and show, right? The things that we have done. Crestron Home has been launched. We had new remotes we launched a couple of years ago. We had new keypads we launched a couple of years ago. We recently relaunched new touch screens. We have a new thermostat that we announced. We have a new audio distribution system we recently announced. We will announce another new product in the summer, and then we will also hold off and wait to launch a new product in a brand new category for Crestron at CEDIA.
That sounds amazing. Obviously one of the main reasons, if not the key reason, attendees go to trade shows is to see, touch, feel products. So that's amazing. That sounds great. So being that it's been 2 years since our community last gathered, can you tell us what Crestron as a company and a brand is most looking forward to being back at the live in-person event?
I think it's demonstrating how we have evolved, right, to deliver what this industry really is looking for, right? A high quality user experience with high quality products that aren't, extremely difficult to deploy. And I think that that's what Crestron Home, which is the linchpin of our residential offerings, is really all about. It's using these very high quality products that Crestron has always been known for, delivering a very high quality user experience, but really doing that with the technician and not a very, very high level person at an organization. I think that's really the trick and the key. And being able to demonstrate that firsthand at a show like CEDIA is going to be really exciting. And on top of that, you touched on one point that I'd like to jump back to about seeing and feeling and touching, right? We've done a pretty good job with our videos and 3D renderings and things like that. But when you pick up and feel what our current touchscreens are like, this molded aluminum piece, the weight behind it, the responsiveness of the touchscreen, that's really hard, almost impossible to demonstrate in a virtual way.
Absolutely. Well, John, thank you so much. Appreciate your time today. It's exciting to hear what you all have in store. We look forward to seeing y'all come together this fall. I know everyone's excited to visit the Crestron booth at CEDIA Expo, and thank you for joining us.
My pleasure. I can't wait.